In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your ID on Prizepicks. Now, in order to do this, all you want to do is you want to go to the top left just like so. And then you want to go ahead and press on request withdrawal, and whenever you try to do this, it will actually give you a page that looks like this, and basically from here you need to verify your ID. So let's just go ahead and press on this button over here that does say upload documents. And do not worry guys, I'm going to walk you through step by step. So go ahead and just press on consent right over here. And then from here, you want to select on which government issue ID you want to use. So we could use like a driver's license or an ID card, or we could even use a passport. So this really is up to you. Please do whatever is most convenient for you. Make sure that whatever document you're using, that it is valid and that you're still able to use it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and press on the driver's license right over here. So now what it's going to do, it is going to make us open up our camera, and we need to take a clear picture of our ID, the front and back of it. Well, if you're using like a driver's license, it needs to be the front and the back of it. With a passport, you only need to take one picture. But the point is, you want to make sure that the image is clear, that you're able to see everything, and more importantly, that it is not blurry. So I'll be back with you guys once I went ahead and took a picture of my ID. All right, so now I need to go ahead and take a picture of the back of my ID really quickly. All right, and once you're done with that, it is honestly that simple. The verification is now successful, and from here, we can go ahead and utilize Prizepicks. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.